Are you looking as archery gains popularity among hunters, competitive shooters, and casual enthusiasts alike? Demand for high-quality bow stabilizers has never been greater. These essential accessories help reduce vibration, minimize hand shock, and improve balance, giving archers better control and accuracy. In this guide, we evaluate the best bow stabilizers based on build quality, vibration dampening, adjustability, design, and value for money. List Trophy Ridge Hitman Archery Bow Stabilizer. The Trophy Ridge Hitman is a crowd favorite, and for good reason. Designed for compound bows, this stabilizer comes in a sleek carbon design that doesn't just look good, but performs exceptionally well. It includes 2 customizable 1-ounce weights and a quick disconnect system, allowing archers to easily adjust the balance to match their shooting style. The included wrist strap and mounting bar enhance overall usability. What truly stands out is the rubber dampener system, which dramatically reduces hand shock and noise during release, making it ideal for hunters who need stealth and control. Available in multiple lengths, from 6 inches to 12 inches, the Hitman can be fine-tuned for both beginner and advanced users. If you're after performance and aesthetics in one package, the Hitman Stabilizer hits the mark. List number 2. Trophy Ridge Hitman Stabilizer Kit. For those looking to upgrade their entire bow setup, the Trophy Ridge Hitman Stabilizer Kit offers a full package. This kit includes both front and side stabilizers, typically 10-inch and 6-inch, along with mounting hardware, a Vbar bracket, and quick disconnects. The carbon fiber build ensures durability without adding bulk, while the included rubber dampeners and customizable weights optimize balance and noise reduction. Perfect for compound bow shooters who want a more professional grade setup. This kit improves shot grouping, especially over longer distances. The quick disconnects make installation and transportation easy. The only trade-off, it's more expensive than a single stabilizer. But for serious archers, the investment is well worth it. List number LWANO Singleside Adjustable Vbar Mount Quick Disconnect Bow Rod Stabilizer. For archers wanting full control over their stabilizer positioning, the LWANO Singleside Vbar Mount is a game changer. This accessory isn't a stabilizer itself, but a mount system that enables you to adjust and fine-tune your bow's side rod placement. It features a quick disconnect mechanism and micro-adjustment knobs, allowing for precise positioning. Constructed with anodized aluminum, the build quality is robust yet lightweight. It pairs well with most Vbar stabilizers and works with a wide range of compound bows. If you're building a custom stabilizer setup or want more lateral control, this is a must-have addition. However, note that it does not include stabilizer rods. Those are sold separately. List number LWANO Archery Compound Bow Stabilizer Bar. 6, 8, 10, 12. LWANO offers a budget-friendly, performance-focused stabilizer for compound bow shooters who need vibration reduction without spending a fortune. Available in 4 lengths, this stabilizer features a multi-material construction combining high-strength carbon and vibration-dampening rubber components. It's especially effective at reducing bow torque and noise, improving accuracy for hunters and target shooters alike. The stabilizer includes a set of weights for custom balance, and its threaded design makes it compatible with most compound bows. For those looking for a mid-tier option that doesn't compromise on essential performance features, the LWANO Archery Stabilizer is an excellent value. List Knive AMEYXGS Archery Bow Stabilizer 3K Carbon Fiber Rod. Combining premium carbon fiber with professional-grade damping technology, the AMEYXGS Bow Stabilizer is designed for serious archers. It comes in various lengths, 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, and 15 inches, and includes a 3K carbon weave that's both ultralight and durable. The included weight kit allows shooters to fine-tune balance to their specific setup, while internal damping elements minimize vibration and reduce residual movement after each shot. This model shines in target archery where stability and repeatable accuracy are paramount. While it's not the cheapest option, it offers exceptional performance for its class, making it a top-tier choice for competitive shooters.